Hi, what's your name?
I'm Lucy, and you?
I'm John. Where do you live?
I live in Montauk.
Where is Montauk?
It's in New York.
Is it in western New York?
No, it's in eastern New York.
Is Montauk big?
It's pretty small.
How small is pretty small?
It has about 3,000 people.
How big is New York?
It has about 19 million people. Where do you live?
I live here. I like living here.
I agree. Miami is a nice city.
It's not too big.
And it's not too small.
It has great weather all year long.
It has the Jungle Island.
It has beautiful beaches.
It has wonderful restaurants.
It has great schools.
It's close to the mountains.
The people are friendly.
I really like this city.
Where are you going?
I have to take the cat for a walk.
What kind of cat do you have?
I have a ragdoll.
Ragdolls have a lot of fur.
Yes, that's right.
Why did you get a ragdoll?
It's my brother's cat.
So he likes ragdolls.
He says they're affectionate cats.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
What kind of car do you have?
I have a Ford.
Is it new?
It was new in 2018.
So, it's pretty old now.
Yes, it is. But it still looks good.
Do you take good care of it?
Yes. I wash it once a month.
Do you change the oil?
My mechanic changes the oil once a year.
Are you married?
No, I'm divorced.
When did you get divorced?
I got divorced 3 years ago.
Why did you get divorced?
My husband left me.
Why did he leave you?
He said he didn't love me anymore.
That's terrible.
Yes, it was.
Why didn't he love you anymore?
He fell in love with a beautiful girl.
It's Saturday.
So?
You know what that means.
I forgot.
Saturday means we go to the beach.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go to the beach.
That's a great idea.
We haven't been in a while.
We haven't been in a week.
The last time we went, you almost drowned.
No, I didn't.
Then why did the lifeguard dive into the water?
I think she wanted to cool off.
She swam right up to you.
And then she turned right around.
Maybe you're right.
Maybe we should get going. The sea is so big.
You can't see the end of it.
It goes on and on forever.
And it's deep, too.
I think it's 6 miles deep.
Are there fish at the bottom?
There are fish at the top and the bottom.
Are there more fish or more people?
I think there are more fish.
I hope so. I love to eat fish. I'm bored.
What is on TV?
Nothing.
There must be something on Netflix.
Nothing that's interesting.
What about that new game show?
Which one?
Awake, the $1 Million Game.
Tell me you're joking.
I love that show.
I watched it once. That was enough.
It's on right now. Let's watch it together.
You are using your phone too much.
What do you mean?
I mean you're wasting your life.
I'm having fun.
You're sitting there with your mouth open.
Who cares?
I care. Do something.
Okay. I did something.
What did you do?
I switched to my iPad.
That's not what I meant by do something.
Will you do something? Leave me alone. My iPhone is so slow.
Buy a new one.
I would if I had the money.
Why is it so slow?
That's a good question.
Did you take it to a phone shop?
I would if I had the money.
Well, I guess you have to live with it.
Sometimes I want to throw it out the window.
You don't want to do that.
Why not?
Because you don't have money to buy another one. What's for lunch?
I'm not sure.
How about spaghetti?
You had spaghetti for breakfast.
But I love spaghetti.
Everybody loves spaghetti.
So why can't I have spaghetti for lunch?
Because you need variety.
What's variety?
Different things, not the same thing all the time. Excuse me.
Yes?
Are you studying English?
Oh, no. I prefer Spanish.
I asked you because English is so popular.
Thank you. That's polite of you to ask.
Some people would just pick it up.
Yes, I know. Some people are rude.
I always try to be polite.
So do I.
The world needs more polite people like us.
I agree 100%. Look at all these puppies.
How many are there?
7.
They're all so cute.
Yes, but I can't keep them.
What are you going to do with them?
I'm going to give them away. Do you want one?
Yes, I would love one.
Which one do you want?
That one. The one that's all white.
Yes, I like that one, too.
I'll call him Oscar.
The price of stamps goes up and up.
I think stamps used to cost a penny.
That was a long time ago.
It was before I was born.
Now a stamp is 30 cents.
But in May it will be 35 cents.
Have you ever lost a letter in the mail?
No, I haven't.
Neither have I.
So, they do a good job for the money.
Yes, they do.
Maybe we shouldn't complain.
Did you do the laundry?
Yes, I did.
What did you wash?
I washed clothes and towels.
What about the carpet?
No, I didn't.
Did you dry everything in the dryer?
Yes, I dried everything in the dryer.
Then what did you do?
I folded all the clothes.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Look in the fridge.
I'm looking. There's nothing to eat.
Are you sure?
It's almost empty.
I went to the market last week.
I don't see anything.
I bought lots of apples and grapes.
I don't want fruit. I want something tasty.
Eat the fruit. It's good for you.
Next time you go to the market, let me go with you.
No, thank you. All you want to eat are candy bars and hot dogs.
What is there to eat?
I don't know. Look in the fridge.
I think I'll make a pizza.
What kind?
A seafood pizza.
Bread flour is in the cabinet.
Where's the shrimp?
It's in the fridge, I think.
Would you like a piece of pizza?
Yes, that sounds nice.
How about some cheese?
Yes. And a glass of orange juice.
Something's wrong with my computer.
Exactly what?
All I get is a blue screen.
What's the matter?
I think I know because this happened before.
What happened before?
My hard drive crashed.
That's bad news.
It sure is, but I'm going to call Apple first, just to make sure.
Will you lose all your files?
No, I always back up my files online.
You're smart.
I called Apple about my computer.
What did they say?
They said I need a new hard drive.
That's too bad. How much is a new one?
About $500.
It's so expensive. Plus installation?
No, my hard drive is easy to remove and replace.
Really?
Yes, it's just a couple of screws.
That's nice.
It's a lot better than paying someone $50.
If my hard drive crashes, I'll just call you.
I hate to go outside.
Me too.
Why do you hate to go outside?
I meet too many jerks.
I agree.
This town is full of jerks.
Rude people are everywhere.
But what can you do?
You can yell at them.
And they will yell back at you.
Yelling doesn't do any good.
No, the best thing to do is just stay at home. Will you look at this email?
Are you having problems with it?
I don't understand some things.
Let me help you.
What does ASAP mean?
ASAP stands for as soon as possible.
What does MM/DD/YY mean?
That means month, day, year. Use numbers.
I don't understand.
For example, if your birth date is August 15, 2005, write 08/15/05.
Oh, that's simple enough.
Always print clearly, and fill in the bubbles completely. I have lots of friends.
Really? How many do you have?
I don't know, maybe 1,000.
That is a lot of friends. I don't believe.
Check out the number of friends I have on Facebook.
Do you have a best friend?
Of course. I have lots of best friends.
How many best friends do you have?
I think about 35.
I have only one best friend.
I feel sorry for you.
I have only a few friends.
You must be lonely. I will share my friends with you.
That's very nice of you.